Welcome guys. In this particular video, we are going to have a look at today's contest of LeetCode. So let us see our first question. Our first question was Harshad number. An integer divisible by the sum of its digit is said to be a number. Let me explain you the question. We are given an integer x. We need to return the sum of the digits of x if x is a Harshad number. Otherwise, we are going to return -1. So first of all, let us see what is in Harshad number. An integer divisible by the sum of its digit is said to be Harshad number. So the question is pretty simple. Let us further understand this question with the help of an example. We were given x is equals to 1, 8. So the sum of its digits will be 1 plus 8, which is equals to 9. And 18 mod 9 double equals to 0. It means 18 is divisible by 9 since its mod 9 is giving us, since remainder is 0. So since remainder is 0, it means it is a Harshad number. So we will return the sum of its digits. Sum of its digits is 1 plus 8, that is 9. So we will return 9. In the similar way, in example number 2, 2 plus 3 equals to 5 and 23 mod 5 is not equals to 0. Since it is remainder is not equal to 0, it means it is not divisible. So it means it is not a Harshad number and we will return -1 in this particular case. So I hope you all would have understood this question. What we are going to do, we are going to calculate the sum of its digit. We are going to find its remainder. If the remainder comes out to be 0, it means it is divisible and we are going to return the sum of the digits. Otherwise, we are going to return -1. So let us look at the code now. Question was pretty simple. So what we did, first of all, we have initialized the sum as 0 and we have taken the number in a variable x. So while x is greater than 0, sum is equals to sum plus x mod 10. What is this x mod 10 is doing? X mod 10 is helping us to extract the digits from the number. Suppose it is 1, 8. So x mod 10, 18 mod 10 will give us 8. It will extract the last digit. And x is equals to x divided by 10. So once this loop get completed, once this while loop get completed, in the sum variable, we will have the sum of all the digits. If number mod sum comes out to be 0, we will return this sum. It means it is a Harshad number and we are going to return the sum. Otherwise, we will return -1. So I hope the question is clear to you all. The question was pretty simple. In case it is clear, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.